Now that the specs of the upcoming Oukitel WP210 Pro has been leaked, I think it's okay if I compare the specs with that of the Oukitel WP200 Pro. Anyway, as regarding the Oukitel WP210 Pro, there's still no official release date yet or price, but if I get the details about its release date and price, I'll definitely share with you guys. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Oukitel WP210 Pro versus the Oukitel WP200 Pro. Personally, I prefer the Oukitel WP200 Pro because it is the first modular rugged phone. It has a detachable rear display that you can use as a smartwatch or an earbud. It's literally the first smartphone to have this feature, guys. It's amazing. But anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update.